We have analyzed the features and benefits most of the products available. This product is one of the best rated product in the market today.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Smart Stick Handheld 2-Speed Blender. Here's the main unit. It's all stainless steel, it's beautifully designed. Here you have soft press buttons, one for low, one for high. It's extremely easy to operate. Has a nice grip on it, so it's tapered so that your hand goes right there. It's easy to use. It can be used in a pitcher, a beaker that comes with your unit, or it can be used right in a pot to puree soups or any type of sauces. The bottom piece is removable. We just press this little button, pull it apart. This way you can wash it in the sink, put it in the dishwasher, whatever you prefer. Now, the other things that come with your unit are the chopping attachment. This goes on by just mounting it like so, which locks it in place, and then you just do the same thing. Press high or low, depending on what speed you want to use. Press the button again, remove it, and you can actually attach your chef's whisk, just like so. Pop it into place. This is great if you're going to whip up eggs or anything like meringue. Just use it in a bowl. It's really great and convenient. I'm going to take that off, put it aside. And then what we're going to do is just show you the inside of this chopping attachment. I want to show you the blade. This is the blade. One side is marked sharp and the other side is marked dull. It's removable. You turn it over and you put it down and lock it back into place. Always use the sharp side of the blade for items like soft flesh things like herbs or onions, and use the blunt side for things more like hard cheeses or peppercorns or anything like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the beaker that comes with your handheld blender, and we're going to make a beautiful, fresh, and refreshing dressing for this lovely salad right here. So just so you know, the beaker has lots of great measure markings on this side and the other side. Now, the thing I love about this beaker is I use it for a lot of other things, just, you know, measuring when you're doing other recipes too. So keep that in mind when you're going to use it. So let's put all of our ingredients in that we need. First, we put the pepper. Then we're going to put the vinegar. Next is the garlic and the shallot, the dill, salt, orange juice, lime juice and lemon juice, and the last ingredient we're going to use right now is the mustard. And we're just going to put that right in. The mustard's really going to help you get a great emulsification so that when you add your oil to this mixture, it's going to incorporate really nicely together. Then all we're going to do is put the handheld blender in, start it up on low, and you're going to do that. You're going to move this up and down. Never bring it above the complete surface, because then you'll get splashes. You're going to run that so it's nice and smooth. And now what we're going to do is start adding our oil. And I'm going to do this a little bit at a time, just so I get exactly the amount that I need. So I'm going to add about half of it. I'm going to start blending again. Notice this is a beautiful color. We're going to incorporate the rest of the oil. Put this down. I'm just going to take this out. I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock this off so we don't get any drippage. I'm just going to set it right in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my beaker. This is really nice and convenient and easy. Drizzle the dressing right on top of the salad. It's a beautiful color. And the thing I like about it is this dressing is really different. Has lots of great fresh ingredients. The dill and the orange makes it really different and really tasty.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.